Hello everyone, ABC Asmat Baking, Cooking and Vlogs. Keep watching my channel, like, share and subscribe. Today's video all about on cake and cupcake, which I made earlier for pink ribbon donation. They love my cake and they love the decoration for pink ribbon. But I think cake is not a good idea, so I try to make cupcake and cake. Cupcake are very convenient and easy to sell. They make good money for that. I really like to make cake and cupcake for pink ribbon donation. I always do and keep doing it. I love to share this beautiful cake and cupcake with you guys. Enjoy watching all these cake and cupcakes. My daughter gave me this cupcake shape carrier and I was so happy. It is so convenient. There is 24 cupcake. I can put it easily. And there is a 3 tray inside and just grab the handle and take it out. It is so easy. My life is so easy with this carrier, cupcake shape carrier. And whenever somebody asks for the cupcake pink ribbon donation, I make the cake and hand over easily. And when they sell out, they return me back this. It is so amazing. I love the present. Keep watching cupcakes and enjoy watching. Thank you.